So, application maintenance and monitoring report. So, yung napili ko pong app is Discord. Overview. Discord is designed to provide a seamless, secure, and reliable real-time communication platform for global users supporting text, voice, video, and media sharing. The system manages high volumes of concurrent interaction while prioritizing data integrity and performance. Built on distributed cloud infrastructure, Discord ensures low latency, connectivity, and scalable service delivery across diverse regions and devices. So, yung Discord ay isang real-time communication platform kung saan pwedeng mag-chat, voice call, video call, at mag-share ng files. Ginagamit ito ng more than 200 million users worldwide. Kaya kailangan nito ng stable at scalable na system para kayanin ang sobrang daming user ng sabay-sabay. So, one of Discord's strength is its infrastructure. Built ito sa cloud system, kaya mabilis ang connection at kahit maraming users, hindi agad bumabagal kahit peak hours ng paggamit, responsive pa rin ang app. So, in terms of security and privacy, may mga protection din si Discord tulad ng two-factor authentication, server permission, at message filtering para maiwasan ang harmful content. This feature help protect user. Then, sa mga advantages din ng Discord, kasama din yung massive data handling. Kaya nitong mag-handle ng massive data and user, high performance kahit maraming gumagamit, real-time sync, so updated agad ang messages. Sa system upgrades naman, system upgrades na walang downtime, meaning tuloy-tuloy ang paggamit kahit nag-update yung mismong app. Then, sa mga disadvantages naman is data security risk tulad ng phishing, malware, at unsafe third-party bots. Tsaka wala siyang end-to-end encryption sa server, kaya hindi fully private ang mga messages. Moderation issue. Mahirap i-control ang harmful content dahil sobrang daming data. High operational cost dahil sa laki ng system, sa updates, and sa system upgrades and issue, sa updates, walang masyadong control yung mismong user. Minsan, may bugs at kulang sa explanation yung mga changes or yung mga updates na ginawa ng mga developer. Then, conclusion, ang Discord ay very powerful at reliable platform para sa communities, gaming, at casual communication. Pero dahil mas priority nito ang performance at feature, may kapalit ito sa privacy at security. Kaya mas okay itong gamitin for public or informal communication at ang user mismo ang dapat maging maingat.